Hello and welcome to our new tutorial. Today I want to present you how to set up your Open Broadcaster software for local recording. Let's begin. Open the Open Broadcaster software and go to Settings. Now you will see a bunch of different options on the left side. We will only go through the important settings for local recording, as the other settings are for your own preferences. Let's start with creating a new setting profile for OBS. In my case I will name it Tutorial, because this will only serve as a demonstration, not more. But do not forget to press Add so it will be saved. Next we go to encoding. This is one of the most important setting areas, so pay attention. You can choose between 3 different encoding techniques. First x264, second Quick Sync, and third NVIDIA NVEN. As you can see I will stay with the x264 encoder, as the other encoders are not available for me. So let's start with the settings. First uncheck Use CBR and set the quality balance to 10. Second, check Custom Buffer Size and set the buffer size to 0. The 0 will indicate OBS that it can use a variable bitrate. This means that OBS will take as much bitrate as it needs. In the audio encoding you will only change the bitrate to 320. So the audio quality will be better. The only thing you need to change in the broadcast settings is the mode. Here you need to set file output only. Also you can set your video destination at the file path. Press Browse. Set your file destination and change the file type to MP4 as this file type is way more compatible with programs than FLV. Also change the file name. While $T will indicate OBS to save the file with the exact time as its file name. In the video settings you can set your base resolution. But more important, you can change your resolution and downscale it. With this you can save up a lot of processor performance. Also you can decide how many frames per second you want to have. Lower the FPS will also increase the performance, but I would recommend to set it at least to 30 FPS. I will set it to 60 FPS because I want to have the best quality. In older Windows versions like Windows 7 you can check the box for Disable Arrow, which will increase your overall performance. Here in the audio settings you can set your audio in and output as you prefer. As we want to record, we also can set hotkeys to start or end our recording. The advanced setting area is also very important. Do not change any settings in the general area. The only thing you need to look at here is if want to use multi-threading or not. But I would recommend to let it activated, or if it is not, check to activated it, because this will give OBS more processor performance, which it needs when you want to record things. In the video section you want to change the x264 CPU preset to ultra fast, as this will reduce your overall processor usage so you can play your games without a major performance decrease. An error will occur that will warn you that this will have a negative effects on your quality, but you can ignore that and press yes. The encoding profile should also stay at high. Next you need to check the custom x264 encoder settings box. Now the box below will show up. Here you need to set CFR equals a number you want to choose. CFR mean constant frame rate and will change your recording quality. The lower your number is, the better is the quality of your local recording. 0 equals a lossless output, but the file size would be too large, and this will also cause into a high CPU usage, which we do not want, as we want to play some games beside our recording. CFR equals 0 can also cause compatibility issues, so I would not recommend to use this. A number between 15 and 20 would be the recommended, but if you have any problem in performance, try to increase the number. 25 would be the last option I would choose, because after 25 the video will start to look bad, and we want to have some sort of a high quality video and not some bad looking thing. I would recommend to set the number to 20, as this will result in a high quality video with a relatively small size. You need to change nothing in the audio and network section. After this you need to apply your settings and press OK. The only thing you need to do now is to add a source for your video capturing, and you are good to go. I will see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.